Up early in the morning. I'm up early this good morning, and finna go down here and do some photography, chase some birds, gators, see what's feeding early this morning. Ospreys, blues, a whole bunch of other birds I don't know nothing about, but just to have some fun, you know what it is. Just got a passion for this shit. Hope y'all got some passion. Hope you just ain't chasing the money. You know, sometimes you just can't chase the money. You know, you gotta get out here and chase a passion at the end of come. And it pays off in the long run. But I'm going up here to Lake Okeechobee, bust off a couple shots, try to see the ospreys dive and do something. You know, they working for free up here. They ain't trying to make no money. But yeah, y'all stay tuned with this. Alright, I'm just getting up on site. I have the osprey in view. Let's see, can you see? Bang. Right there. Another one across. And I'm gonna just watch them all day and see what they do. You know, up here early in the morning. Trying to make some shake. You know how we do out here, man. He calling. See that call? Yeah, that's that beautiful call. Yeah, there you go. Todd taking out. Look at it. Check him out, flight. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out. Oh my God, beautiful bird. Oh shit. Coulda got. Oh man, I missed all the good shit. Hoping to get up here and do it. Work this shit out.
All right, let's get to it. I finally got the lens up the bag. Got the osprey in view. You already know this is a healthy lens. I'm trying to work it, but it's a beautiful bird. I love that bird. You know, I love bird of praise. They don't run. They sit there. They say, "Hey, who that is down there? Go ahead and take the picture." It ain't nothing, you know. So you can see me fighting with it to keep it straight. I need to get me a monopod or something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. With this, what I'm shooting with is that 200 to 600 G Sony lens, and you know, nice piece of glass. But one thing you gotta learn is when you shooting with this lens, take out the stabilizer off. Yeah, that's it. So if you don't, it's gonna be crazy. But yeah, I got a beautiful picture. Look at this. If you wanna see the picture, check out the page, and you can catch the pictures on there on my page, shutterboyfuse.com. Link in the bottom or whatever. But yeah, get it stable. He's sitting there. He let me take some pictures. Come on, focus. Trying to get the focus. Bam. You know what I'm saying? So, get it. You know, he just sitting there taking pictures. The first couple pictures was he had the saliva coming out of his mouth. I was like, oh my God. Check out this. He's taking off. Got it back in. Look at them. Look at them claws. Some kind of reptile. I don't know what the hell this is. Look like some dinosaur shit. You know, some kind of species of. It got to be from probably South America. Somebody brought it down. But took a picture of him before he ran it off. You know, he took off on me. But you know, I'm checking out. You know, I just like to take pictures. You got somebody One of my friends told me, say, shit, I don't know what to call you. You know, you got some photographers, you ask them what they do. You ask them what the photographer, your photographer, they be like, yeah, I'm a wedding photographer, but I'm a photographer. You know, I do it all. So, but check out this pretty bird here. Got the pictures in the page. You go check it out there. You know, that autofocus is crazy with this lens. Check him out. Just mind his own business. Focus, baby. Bam. Took off from the tree and went out to the lake and came back and set up on his light pole. So I moved up a little close on him. I'm telling you, boy. Sony got it with his little package. I know they got a G Master coming out in probably 3 years. Wait up for it. A G Master version gonna be coming out. You know there's gonna be a hefty price on that. But check him out. He's just looking like, ooh, what the fuck is that? One thing about wildlife photography is it's a waiting game with that shit. It's a waiting game. Unless you go in a bear country or something, you just catch all the bears that's coming out. But I got him in flight here, on the run, trying to catch up with him. There you go, bam. Let's see, fuck that. This motherfucker got too close to me. So now I got the teleconverter on. It's great bullshit. You know what I'm saying? The 2X teleconverter. Hell no. I don't know. They must gotta come out a newer version or something, cause that's some bullshit. They came out with the 2X converter before they even came out with these lenses. So I need to update them, cause the quality is bullshit. Straight up. I don't know, it's probably good with the L4 2.8 version and the 600 version. You know, but yeah, not with this one here, not with the 200, 600. But look at the gator on the move, coming out they hole, hungry, starving, ready to eat something. You know what I'm saying? So, gotta keep my black ass from around their motherfucking ass. You know, they some hungry motherfuckers in the morning. It's mating season, so they fucking and sucking, and they doing all type of shit. But yeah, I got him. I like gators. I like crocodile better. But yeah, I already know. That's a very, very, very friendly gator. You know. But yeah. Alright, got this Osprey coming back. Trying to track him. Track him, got him. Boom. Now, what he's doing right now, he's taking a dive. Like he spotted a fish. He's going for it. Whoop. Missed. I couldn't track him behind the gate, the walkway there. And he comes back up. Check it out. Alright, he comes back up. Look what he got. He got him a catch for the morning. Let me check out the pictures. I think that's a tilapia. I think. I don't know nothing about fishes. I'm not a wildlife person. I'm just a photographer. But check him out. Howling trying to protect the fish. I think he got his old lady girlfriend. So when I got a little close to him, he took off on me. Now the crazy thing is, he's going to be flying over my head back and forth. Like, yeah, go ahead and take the pictures. He go swing up, check him out. He take it out. He's gone. Like the osprey. I don't know if that's a male or female. Look that up, try to find out what he is. But he came back and said, "Fuck it." Make sure he got me a good picture of me. He came back with it towards me, flew over me with it. But I really fucked up. My shutter speed was like 1,000 of a second. I think that's it. Should have been at 16. Could have been crispier shots, stuff like that. There could have got a lot of keepers, but it is what it is. So, trying to keep up with him. To this year, I never knew I even had ospreys 2 miles away from me. You know what I'm saying? I was watching a couple videos from, I think, this dude called Matt. I think he lives in Port St. Lucie area. And he been taking pictures. He like the ospreys. I've never seen that bird day in my life. Boom, I buy the lens and I walk. As I'm walking, and I just see this bird. And I'm like, damn, it look like an osprey or something. You know, man, some kind of bird that eats something. I know that. So right now, I'm up on and he got this pretty good, delicious fish. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that was crazy. I mean, I don't know what to say, but it's just crazy with that. Check him out. He looking like, if you don't get your ass back, then can I eat in peace? You know? But yeah, this he like to take pictures. You know, I think this is my first time catching him with a fish. Yeah, my first time catching him with the fish. You know what I'm saying? Wish I could have caught him diving for it. You know, but hey, you got to camp out all day. And I had my camo jacket on. Had the little leaves, fake leaves and everything on it. That shit worked. You know what I'm saying? When you camouflage, you got that shit on, birds fly right past you. It was crazy. I was like, what the fuck? I'm just walking and the birds just coming right by me. You know, they like this. When you got it on, they don't mind it. You know what I'm saying? So, a good thing to invest in some stuff like that. If you really get ducked down, you probably could see a lot of action during the day, especially with the gators. They do all type of crazy stuff when you ain't watching. When they think you ain't watching, come out the water. But yeah, this me here trying to get this lens straight to get a nice shot on. That's why he posing. See how he posed for me? Looking at him with them eyes, them beautiful eyes, nice big eyes, showing me his catch, his prize for this morning. You know, it's a pretty good lens, man. I like this lens. I really love it. But that f2.8 400, come on, Sony. I should have made it a little cheaper for me, you know. But yeah, I'm packing up. Time to go. You know, it's hot. I'm gonna leave the bird eat in peace. You know, even though I love to see him eat it, but he's not gonna eat it while I'm there. So I'm packing up and I'm taking off. Get the hell out of Dodge. Y'all just subscribe, hit the link, follow. Check out the page, check out the pictures. You know what I'm saying? They on there. You can check them out on shuttleboyfuse.com. Follow me on Instagram. And, you know, stay tuned. More to come. God, Lord Jesus.
Damn. Alright. What it do? I'm hotter than a $2 motherfucking stripper. You know what I mean? Hot like a motherfucker. I got some epic pictures today of the Osprey. Got him a tilapia, a big ass tilapia, something good. You know, I was about to leave, but I just sat there and waited, and boom, he came. It was crazy, but I finally got it, and you can check with his gator. Came up, perched his ass up on the bank. Check it right there. Perched this ugly ass up on the bank, trying to get me. Not trying to get me, but you know, I left, and when I came back, he reappeared again. There you go, right there. Check him out. You know, pop back up. See him there. Then fucking autofocus. Yeah, so like I say, I'm hotter than a $2 stripper. Hey, man, make sure this autofocus is right on this thing, man. I fucked up plenty of time trying to get this bitch right. Yeah, but he done popped up on me. He tried to get me. Check him out. He's hungry. Early morning. But you gotta watch out. Never know. We need some motherfucking crocodiles out here. Cause these gators is not fucking fun. But then them motherfuckers need some real shit to eat. Or they'll never fucking grow. Like him. He'll wait for me to come back. I don't know if they feed him or what. But he'll come. Probably wait for food. They probably feed him on the other side. And shit. But yeah. Epic day today. Got an Osprey. Kind of fun doing this shit. Can't wait till I hit up Alaska, Canada for polar bears, black bears, Wyoming, them big bisons in the winter. I'm ready for all that shit. Have some fun today. Do some landscaping and some animals. Nothing like doing both. I can take pictures all day, and I don't even get, really paid for it, you know. But one day, I'll be on National Geographic. You know what I mean? Just getting it. How about that shit? Me on National Geographic. Telling y'all how to catch some motherfucking bison. Whew. Yeah. Shit tough out here, man. Real tough, but it ain't nothing though. We out here. Getting it. Your boy Trap. It's hot like a $2 script out that motherfucker. Shit.